Welcome back. Election Commission, in its first action against use of paid news in election campaigning, has disqualified MLA of Uttar Pradesh, Umlesh Yadav. She has been disqualified for 3 years for contesting any election. Goan journalists hope that Goan politicians and media managements will take lessons from this case.
Umlesh Yadav belongs to Rashtriya Parivartan Dal. This is the first case against a politician in paid news issue. It is alleged that she had not mentioned her expenses for publishing paid news in 2 local dailies, and hence she was disqualified by the Election Commission on the grounds of filing incorrect information in the expense sheet. Senior journalist Prakash Kamath said that people should take cognizance of this case and complain to the Election Commission of any such act of paid news by any candidate.
गोंयांतल्या लोकांनी हे लक्षात घेवंक जाय. आमी म्हणटा इलेक्शना पयसो खर्च जाता ताज्या विरुद्ध लोकांनी कितें करप, लोक काय करूं शकना, हें रॉंग. हे केसीन दाखोवन दिलां. लोकांनी आतां जर इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन इमिजिएटली कागाळ केली हे विशयाचेर, जो डिफिटेड कॅन्डिडेट आसा तो वचूं शकता आनी तो वचून प्रेस कावन्सिलाकय वचूं शकता.
Guj President Pandurang Gaonkar has welcomed the decision by the Election Commission. Guj has also set up a committee to monitor media during election time.
गोंयान जी वर्तमानपत्रां किंवा जी प्रसार माध्यमां पेड न्यूजा खातीर हे करतात त्या सगळ्यां खातीर ही वॉर्निंग आसा आनी सगळ्यांनी अलर्ट रावची गरज आसा. हो विशय हाताळपा खातीर गोवा युनियन ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट हांच्यांनी एक कमिटी केला, जाचेर रुपेश सामंत, प्रकाश कामत हे सगळे वरिष्ठ पत्रकार ताजेर आसतले आनी त्या खातीर हेच्या फुडें पेड न्यूजाचो विशय जर गोवा युनियन ऑफ जर्नलिस्टा कडेन आयलो जाल्यार ही कमिटी तो हाताळटली आनी योग्य हेजेर सरकारी हेजेर हीच कमिटी तो विशय मांडटली.
Umlesh Yadav has been barred from contesting election of Parliament and State Legislative Assembly for 3 years. A reporter Basri Desai with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Former students of Chogale College have supported the decision of the management to close down higher secondary section, provided they justify the decision with concrete reasons. Many feel that the plans of the management to start employment-oriented courses will help Goan students.
Chogale College has decided to close down their high secondary section. However, the college section will continue as it is. They want to focus more on job-oriented courses. However, former students of the Chogale College have expressed mixed views on the decision. Fatarda MLA Damu Naik, who is also a former student of the college, said that they should justify the reason behind the closure.
हांव अपील करतलो टू द कन्सर्न कोण जे मनीस आसा तांचे कडेन दे शूड रिवर्ट तो करचो पडटलो आनी तातूंतल्यान तांच्यांनी जर जाता जाल्यार फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट ऑर कोणी तरी फुडें येवन हे सगळ्यो एसेट लायबिलिटी घेवच्यो. म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो की हें हायर सेकंडरी वेवस्थीत चलचें आनी त्या खातीर कोणाचेरच अन्याय जायनासतना इनजस्टीस जायनासतना लोकांक एक बरी कॉलेज मेळची.
Former State Election Commissioner and former Chogale student Prabhakar Timle has supported the decision, provided the college comes up with job-oriented courses.
प्रॉब्लेम आसता म्हणटा तें आतां शिक्षकाचे आनी जे पळय ऑफिस पळय स्टाफ पळय आसा तांचे प्रॉब्लेम आसता म्हणजे तांचे एम्प्लॉयमेंटा प्रॉब्लेम पळय आसता ते रिक्रुटमेंट पळय रुल्स पळय आसात नाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंट रुल्स पळय आसा त्या रुल्सा प्रमाण ते हाताळपाक जाय. म्हळ्यार दोनी भागांत जर पळयलें कितें चोगले कॉलेज अशें म्हाका सांगलां की चोगले कॉलेज वेगळें आनी क्षेत्र सुरू करपा आसता म्हणून वेगळी तांणी नवी तर क्षेत्र जर सुरू तर केली तर ती आमची युथाक म्हळ्यार आमच्या गोंयची युथाक ती बऱ्या पडपाची.
Artist, activist and another former student of Chogale, Sridhar Kamath has also supported the decision.
I think after 35 years of their human service, whatever the Chogale Education Society has done, now if they really wish to close down, I think we should appreciate that decision. People may be critical about it, but I think that over last 35 years, the city of Madgaonkars people have also grown up in leaps and bounds, and I think that now Madgaon should be capable of, I would not say taking over, but providing an alternative to this particular problem.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Senior BJP leader Venkaiah Naidu claimed that the present union government has no capacity to take any decision. He said that the government has no agenda. Naidu was addressing a public meeting in Vasco.
एजेंडा नहीं है। देश का भला करने का कोई समस्या नहीं है। यथा राजा तथा प्रजा, दिल्ली में घोटाला, गोवा में भी घोटाला। राज्यपाल चौहान के ऊपर आरोप आया, लोकायुक्त ने रिपोर्ट दिया, एक्शन नहीं लिया। जब कर्नाटक में गुजरात होते, कर्नाटक में क्या किया, बीजेपी ने क्या किया? कर्नाटक में जब आरोप आए, बीजेपी ने सलाह दिया मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देने के लिए और मुख्यमंत्री ने इस्तीफा दे दिया है।
Bharatiya Janata Party held a meeting at Wasco on Bhrasht Sarkar Hatao. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar, State BJP President Lakshmikant Parsekar, spokesperson of BJP Rajendra Allekar and Wasco MLA Milind Naik were present for the meet. Speakers at the meet alleged that the current Congress government is corrupt. 3 founder members of the Bharatiya Jan Sangh were felicitated by Naidu on completion of 60 years of its inception. Venkaiah Naidu said that BJP will not tolerate corruption and will fight against all the scams. He also expressed ire about Speaker disallowing tabling of the PAC report.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पद्धति है। गोवा का मुख्यमंत्री के बारे में आरोप आया। पब्लिक अकाउंट्स चेयरमैन के रूप में श्री मनोहर पर्रिकर ने बहुत श्रम करके, बहुत प्रयास करके रिपोर्ट बनाया। और अजीब है, स्पीकर रिपोर्ट को टेबल में रखने पर, सभापटल में रखने की अनुमति नहीं देते और मनोहर पर्रिकर को चेंज करते।
Our reporter in Wasco, Surendra Matkekar.
Ex-students of Bal Bharatiya Vidya Mandir school in Ribandar have launched a unique video website of their school. The new video website was launched at the hands of school founder Gurunath Shetye. School is also celebrating its golden jubilee this year.
Video website of Bal Bharati Vidya Mandir School is available through myvideotalkstudio.com. One has to just type balbharatividyamandir.com in Google search engine and you will get the website on the net. Video website has been sponsored and developed by one of the ex-student Iqbal Tonse. The website was launched at the hands of school founder Gurunath Shetye, headmistress of the school Suchita Desai, secretary Parshuram Don, and others were present at the launch ceremony. Website has many videos of events and celebrations organized by this school. Through this website, one can also do live video conferencing.
Now we are going to advanced technology called video email. You can just send a video email, that's it. And the third, you can broadcast a live meeting. Live meeting, you can make it as a conference. And of course, we have this beautiful video channel. This is a very powerful tool. All over the world, people can just go in URL and type www.balbharatividyamandir.com and they can see all the happenings what happened in this school. Like 15 August, Gandhi Jayanti, Founders Day, World Environment Day, everything is there. They can watch this video.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.